What's up, Voro riders? Mike here. Today we're gonna film a special video for you. We're gonna race the Roadrunner Pro against a $3,500 e-bike. So our riders for today is Levin.
What's up, guys? I'm Levin. I'm around 180 pounds and I'm riding the Roadrunner Pro.
And Christian.
What's up, guys? I'm Christian. I'm around 215 and I'm riding the $3,500 e-bike.
So let's get started.
Hey, that one was synchronized. All right, now we can get started.
We'll make it work. We'll make it work. To make it as fair of a comparison as possible, there will be 4 races. During the first race, the Roadrunner Pro will be in single motor mode. Then, during the second, the Roadrunner Pro will be in dual motor mode. The $3,500 e-bike we're racing only has a single motor, so it'll remain in single motor mode throughout all races. Then, because there's a weight difference between the 2 riders, we'll switch around the riders and do both races again.
So this is single.
Yeah, the Pro one.
Pro 1? Okay.
Maybe buy a bike sling.
Okay, I'm good.
I'm go, Christian. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
This is single, right?
Yeah, single. Right now it's on single.
Yep.
Okay, they just started.
Wow. Christian.
All right, now I'm ready.
So what do you guys think? Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Until then, safe riding. Good?
Awesome.
Yeah. Let's go.